Hello, today I'll be showing you how to download games into your R4, and this is my first video on my new Windows Vista laptop with the Windows 7 update. So let's continue. So first of all, you need to download your game. So I recommend this website here, and so all you need to do is you want a game, just search for it, like Mario and Luigi, Partners in Time. And just click on the download link, and it tells you click on you have the yellow smile, or it tells you click on the blue one or green one. Just click for free downloading. And since I already downloaded a game, I can't download another. So after you do that, go wherever you download your game, and you need another program called winrar. If you have that program, it will look like a book, and I'll put the link in the description where to download it. All you need to do is extract it here, double click, and usually so when you extract it, it comes out into a folder like this, and usually you have to extract it again within the folder. So just extract it. If you see folder, just extract it. And if you have, sometimes you have like more than one part, just extract one of them, extract the whole thing to one game. So all you need to do is extract it here, and sometimes you have to replace it. So after you extract it, here's the game. You'll know if it's your ROM, if it's .nds, and sometimes it have like weird numbers and letters and stuff. So I just usually just rename it. So Mario and Luigi. Just short and simple. Just so I know which game I'm playing. So after you do that, just take out the folder, and then just get your memory card adapter or your USB. I'm using my memory card adapter, so put it in. Okay. And usually have, so this is your R4 menu, like your R4 folder right here. You have your system menu and stuff. All you need to do is drag and drop. So drag and drop, and it takes about 60 seconds. So there you have it. Just put in your R4 and play. See ya.